Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3, chapter complex number, exercise 1. We are at question number 31. Okay, let's look at the question. So, z minus 4 plus 3i mod is less than equal to 2. Find the least and greatest value of z and hence find the limits between which z lies. Meaning we have to find maximum and minimum value of z. Z mod z. This question is another one of those questions which has to be looked at through geometry. If you look through geometry, the question is very easy, and I would encourage all of you to look at the geometry of complex number, because the moment we see this, it is nothing but circle. It is nothing but a circle whose center is, so z minus 4 minus 3m. So this is the center and is equal to 2. So 2 will be the radii. So this is nothing but the region within the circle. So the whole region within the circle, the entire circular region it is referring to. And the 4 minus 3i. So this is 4 and this is minus 3i. So this is the center of the circle, and locus of this complex number is going to be anywhere on this shaded region. Now the next part is we have to find the limit between which z is going to lie. So what is the meaning of this mod z? The distance, the maximum or minimum distance of the point from the origin. So this is the origin. So from here, if we just think about it, think of a straight line. Now, the distance from the origin for the center is what? 4, 3, 5. If this is 4, this is 5. So this distance is 3 square plus 4 square. This is nothing but 5, root 5 square. So this is nothing but 5. So this distance of the center is 5. So this complex number, when it is here, this entire region is where the complex number can rise. So if it is here, it is least from the origin. And if it is here, then it is maximum from origin. So what is it essentially? 5 minus radius, 5 plus radius. So this question can easily be solved by just looking at the geometry. So this is always less than r plus 2, that is 7, and always more than r minus 3, which is 5 minus 2, which is 3. So what is this? 5 minus r, this is 5 plus. How do we get it? Simply geometry. So always, if circle though is very easy, circle I must say that you should first look at geometry. If geometry is not giving you a solution very easily, then we can go on and we can put z is equal to x plus iy and then try to solve, and we'll get a 2D coordinate geometry, and from there we will be able to understand. Yes, thank you.